Good morning children. In this video, we will read the quick recap first. This is the quick recap of lesson 2. I have already read and explained lesson 2 in this video. First of all, I will read the quick recap. Through quick recap, we can recall the summary of lesson. Then we will start exercise of lesson 2. So, I am reading. Our teacher uses the computer to prepare report cards. This is the use of computer which teachers are using nowadays. Shopkeepers use computers to prepare bills. Records of all our credits and debits are maintained by the computer in banks. Computers are used by the doctors to diagnose many diseases. We get our railways and airline seats reserved in advance much more conveniently only because of computers. Books, pamphlets, newspapers, etc. are published with the help of computers. Now children, we have words to remember. We can call it word meaning ATM. Automated teller machine. The full form of ATM is automated teller machine, an advanced machine that enables us to withdraw money through it. As I explained you in the lesson that anytime we can take money from the ATM machine. Next word is animation. This also I have already explained in the lesson. The process of making videos and computer games in which drawing or model seem to move. Children, as I told you in the lesson that the cartoon show which you see, these are only pictures, these are not real ones. So with the help of computer, they give the movement to the pictures and it looks like that it's real, they are moving. This is called animation. Now device means machine. It is an equipment that has been designed to do a particular job. As we can call computer is an electronic device. So machine and device, same thing. Now we have exercise of lesson 2. We will start it with the question answers. A part is answer the following questions. Who uses computers to make report cards? The answer is teachers use computers to make report cards. Next answer. The question is, what things can be published using a computer? Books, pamphlets, newspapers, etc. can be published using a computer. Children, I have to adjust the words, the space which is given to us in the book. When you will write question answers in the copy, in the notebook, you will give proper space to each and every word. Now next, the question is, write any 2 ways in which computers are used in banks. So we can write first, for withdrawing money, second we can write for withdrawing money, and in second point we can write for paying and receiving cash. Next question. What is the role of computers in your school? Computers are used in school for admission process, and collecting fees, etc. And collecting fees, etc. These are the question answers. Next topic, B part, we have multiple choice questions. Tick the correct option. We have two options in each statement. In fact, three options. We have three options. After each statement, we will tick the correct option. First is, computers help us in washing, doing homework, cleaning our room. Computer help us in doing homework. Next, dash use computer in preparing medical reports. The answer is doctors. Third, a computer assists in withdrawing money from STD, CPU, ATM. The answer is ATM. Next, dash are messages sent through computers. These are called emails. Now we will do C part. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate word from those given in the box. There are three fill in the blanks and words are given in the box. The words are diseases, bills, research. Shopkeepers use computers to make bills. Computers help doctors in diagnosing many diseases. Scientists use computers in their research work. Now, D part, write T for true statement and F for false statement. Computers do not assist at shops. Children, in lesson also I explained the meaning of assist. Help. Computer do not assist at shops. False. Second, computers do not assist in the school library. False. As in the lesson we have read that computers are being used in each and every field. Third, computers assist in reservation of tickets. True. With this we are completing the exercise work also, and we have completed now lesson 2. The PDF of this work will be given to you in the class and in MS Teams files, so you can take the work neatly and do it in your copy. In copy you have to do only question answer, and remaining word as B, C and D questions, these you can do in book only, but question answer you will do in notebook. Okay children, bye.